The fact that Fred Ojiambo flashes the title of senior officer must not be a license for him to lie with impunity, commit criminal offenses, intimidate law enforcement officers and judiciary officers, and engage in robbing of properties of Kenyans. And I've talked about the phony English accent. It is on record. They are free to sue me. I also took up with the DCI another fake international warrant of arrest issued against me by Uganda Magistrate Court on the same case where Kaplan and Stratton is involved. By the way, East African Development Bank is headquartered in Kampala, and they did make a false statement about me. They wanted me to appear before the Magistrate Court in Kampala, and when I failed to appear, they got a universal warrant of arrest issued against me. And the DCI is free to come and arrest me. Only that we have found so far, that is another fake international arrest warrant. The question I'm asking is that if this kind of intrigue and lying by somebody calling himself a senior counsel with a fake British name, Kaplan and Stratton, while actually the firm is only composed of Kenyans, what happens to the ordinary Kenyans? I've at least had the privilege of serving in some senior positions in the Kenyan government. So at least I can come to the DCI without being harassed. What happens to other Kenyans? Ordinary Kenyans. Thank you. That's all I have to say. I can answer questions and I'll be able to give you a copy of the press release.
Maybe what has the DCI told you in reference to the matter at hand?
I think it is instructive that when the EADB made the false report here, it was again in the company of Kaplan and Stratton lawyers. And they are being prosecuted for lying. They put 3 big lies, 3 big fat ones. And they are being prosecuted. The ODPP already gave permission for prosecution. The magistrate already admitted the matter, only for Kaplan and Stratton to pull a smart move by claiming that EADB has got diplomatic immunity. So the matter was taken to the High Court. Unfortunately, because of changes in the High Court, the matter has been delayed further. And by the way, what I'm telling you is the tip of the iceberg. There will be more.
Okay, but the next one is, were you summoned or you came by yourself to make a case?
No. I was not summoned, I wrote, and therefore I was told to come and grab the city.
What are you seeking from the DCI?
What?
What would you like the DCI to do concerning?
No, I think any criminal offense should be investigated. When you present false documents in the High Court and in the Supreme Court, and you do this and claim that you have the stamp of a commissioner of court, that is interfering with the law. And if that is happening with a company as big or as reputable as Kaplan and Stratton, then a shadow of the of what is happening in the whole legal and judicial system.
So you want this guy now to pounce on Fred Ojiambo and investigate him?
Well, I made a report. I think he should come and clear his name with respect to this matter. Actually, I've just mentioned to you that fabricating evidence contra section 113 of the Penal Code, Cap 63 of the laws of Kenya, is a criminal offense. I cannot say that I saw you somewhere murdering somebody and it is not true. I should only say that because the consequence of my report could mean that you go to jail for the rest of your life. That's why there's a penal code stopping anybody from fabricating evidence and lies that will negatively affect somebody else. In my case, it's only property. But how about if it was my life on the line? And in many respects, it's my life on the line because my property is a livelihood for my children and myself. So So somebody trying to rob you of that is like somebody trying to rob you of your car.
Thank you.
Idoli was summarizing.